I don't know, something happened. I was like 3-4 minutes into this next video. I said my microphone stopped working, so. Got him. Oh, okay. Alright, this green box here, I don't know if you can see it or not. That was all the stuff from the last video. Well, after the packs and the boxes that I showed you. This one, I didn't realize I had this. I knew I had this Prism Mega. And I know I have this. But I forgot about this. I just got it. I never even opened it. I got that like a month or two ago, whenever it first came out, just to try it. I remember this. I went over and got these because they were half price. There's the half price sticker right there. And of course, while you're there, you got to pick up some Contenders football. I guess you don't have to, but I always do. Right. I'm not sure what this is. Oh. Harley Quinn. And there's the other Harley Quinn. And there's the Young Anna. Half price. Funny thing is, I really wanted to get those, the Anna and the Elsa, because they basically, I don't know, I like that movie, it was pretty good, they're cute. I still don't understand how everyone loves Elsa. You don't just ignore your sister, you tell her, hey, I could hurt you, I could kill you, I could accidentally freeze you to death. You don't just ignore her for, what, 12 years? Wrappers for coins. Don't mind me, I'm still sick. I remember when they first came out and no one would buy them. Yeah, they were too much. Look at this. I remember buying it, I forgot about it. So I bought a pack and a box, and I think I bought the pack to open it, but I never did. Like I said, I'm still sick. Wow. Baltimore's beating the Bo Sox again. I'm going to guess. Oh, wait. The Mariners are 10-1 in the last 11 games. They dominated the Oakland A's, and that's time for the best of the 11 games with the Cardinals. I still don't know if it's 39 runs scored. He is as Eternatus. I don't know. I still don't know. I would go to the fifth inning. This might have been. Looks like a Zacian, but I can't see it. Yep, Zacian. Gardner almost hit a home run. I can't see what it says. Looks like it says Massachusetts. I hate it when I do this in my videos and you can't see something. You got the light on, you can't even see it.
That's how we're selling it punching it anyway, but the Blue Jays need it, the Yankees need it. After this 3 games remain, both teams, Yankees will have 3.
I can read everything except for what store it's from. Unreal.
Red Sox are going to go to D.C. to meet the Nationals for 3 games. And Seattle will host the Angels for 3 games. We said last night it was on.
Finally figured it out. It was the big H. You just couldn't tell. My apologies for that. Alright. This is good. Good enough. Now I get to take this stuff out to my car, over to my store. There we go. And I don't care. I'm stopping. I gotta go. That box is falling on me. I gotta go to La Tolteca. Pick up some Mexican food. Yummy, yummy. I ordered Yolandas. They're awesome. Enchiladas and mimosas. Alright, thank you very much for watching. This video sucked. I totally apologize. I was having real bad difficulties and I'm still yapping. And I'm making sounds because I'm sick. Sorry.